Want to create a sensory garden that delights all your senses? Welcome to the fascinating world of sensory gardens, a space that nurtures and stimulates all five senses. Today, we're diving into the top 7 plants that will transform your garden into a sensory delight. First on our list, the fragrant lavender, known for its calming scent and vibrant purple blooms. A sensory garden is incomplete without this aromatic marvel. Next up, the refreshing lemon balm. Its citrus-scented leaves, when crushed, release an invigorating aroma that stirs the senses. Imagine the refreshing scent of lemon balm filling your garden. Third, we have the dynamic fennel. Its feathery leaves have a unique texture, and its licorice-like flavor is simply captivating. Add a touch of culinary delight to your sensory garden with fennel. Fourth on our list, the soft and fuzzy lamb's ears. These velvety leaves provide a tactile delight like no other. Your fingers will thank you for including lamb's ears in your sensory garden. Fifth, we bring you the towering sunflowers. Their vibrant blooms and tall stems offer an eye-catching spectacle. Sunflowers are sure to bring a sunny delight to your sensory garden. Sixth, the invigorating mint plant. Its refreshing scent and tantalizing taste stimulate the senses wonderfully. Mint is a must-have for any sensory garden. Last but not least, the aromatic rosemary. Its fragrant leaves are a delight, and its culinary uses are vast. Rosemary is the final touch to create a sensory symphony in your garden. There you have it, 7 plants to delight your senses. Lavender, lemon balm, fennel, lamb's ears, sunflowers, mint, and rosemary. Each offers a unique sensory experience, so why not experiment in your own garden? Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening!